Hi there! In this video, I'll introduce you to Amazon Simple Storage Service, in short S3. One of the services I have seen in use at every AWS customer I've worked with, and also I'm using this privately as my data backup or archival solution. Let's jump into today's presentation. By now, you should be familiar with this layout, showing the topics I will cover in this video. Let's start with the overview so we understand what S3 is. Before I even jump into the details of S3, I think it's important to understand what general storage types exist and where S3 fits in. Storage types can be categorized based on their architecture and access methods. In general, we divide them in block storage, file storage, and object storage. Below the dotted line, I have added the related AWS solution or service. Let me briefly explain the differences between them. Block storage stores data in fixed-sized blocks. Each block has an address, and the storage system manages the organization and retrieval of these blocks. File storage stores data as files in a hierarchical directory structure. Each file is identified by a path. Object storage stores data as objects, where each object includes the data itself, metadata, and a unique identifier. There are pros and cons for each, and they serve different use cases. Let me know in the comment section if you want to have a deep dive comparison. For now, this high-level overview should be enough. Now that we know the different storage types and that S3 is the object store, let's better understand what are the key things to know about it. S3 is designed to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere, making it a versatile and essential tool for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you are storing photos, videos, documents, or large data sets, S3 makes it easy to manage and access your data whenever you need it. S3 is a fully serverless service. This means you don't have to worry about provisioning or managing any storage infrastructure yourself. It automatically scales to accommodate the amount of data you need to store, so you can focus on using your data rather than managing it. When you store your data, it's not only stored but also protected, and you can analyze it anytime. Each bucket is private by default, meaning only you have access to it unless you decide to share it. Moreover, all data stored in S3 is encrypted, ensuring that your information is secure and protected from unauthorized access. S3 is designed for exceptional reliability. It offers an impressive 11 nines of durability. This means that even with a billion objects, you would likely go 100 years without losing a single one. S3 offers an availability of 99.99%, so you can count on your data being accessible almost all the time. Now you should have a good understanding of what the S3 service is and offers. Next, let's look at the concepts and features. S3 is a versatile and powerful cloud storage solution that offers a wide range of features. Understanding these key features will help you get the most out of the service. S3 offers different storage classes designed to optimize costs based on how frequently you access your data and how quickly you need it. For example, S3 Standard is perfect for frequently accessed data, while S3 Glacier is ideal for long-term archival storage, where retrieval time is less critical. By choosing the right storage class, you can significantly reduce your storage costs without compromising on performance. S3 Storage Lens is a powerful analytics tool that provides insights into your S3 usage. It helps you understand how your data is being stored and accessed across all your S3 buckets. With Storage Lens, you can view metrics like data trends, identify cost-saving opportunities, and ensure your data management aligns with best practices. It's like having a bird's eye view of your storage environment. S3 Mount Point allows you to mount your S3 buckets as a file system on your computer or on your compute instance. This means you can easily access and manage your S3 data just like you would with a local file system, making it simpler to work with large datasets and seamlessly integrate S3 storage into your existing workflows. Multi-region access points in S3 enable you to access your data across multiple AWS regions with a single endpoint. This feature is especially useful for globally distributed teams or applications, as it automatically routes your requests to the nearest AWS region, reducing latency and improving performance. It also enhances data availability by allowing access even if a specific region is unavailable. With S3 Object Lambda, you can add your own custom processing logic to S3 GET requests, allowing you to modify and process data as it is retrieved from S3. This means you can dynamically transform your data without having to create additional copies, saving on storage costs, and simplifying your data management. S3 Object Lock is a feature that allows you to protect your data from being deleted or overwritten for a specified period of time. This is particularly useful for compliance and regulatory requirements where data retention is critical. With Object Lock, you can enforce write once, read many, in short, WORM policies, ensuring that your data remains immutable. S3 Replication automatically copies your data across different AWS regions or within the same region, ensuring that you have redundant copies for disaster recovery, compliance, or to simply improve data access for users in different geographical locations. S3 Replication helps maintain data consistency and availability even in the event of a regional failure. Beyond these key features, S3 offers a variety of other tools and capabilities, such as lifecycle policies for automating data management and versioning to keep track of changes to your files over time. With its robust feature set, S3 is designed to meet a wide range of storage needs, making it a reliable and scalable solution for users at any level. Now you should have a good understanding of the concepts and features for S3. Next, let's have a quick look at different use cases. Here you see some of the most common use cases for S3. S3 is a great option for hosting static websites that contain only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other static files. S3 allows you to store these files and serve them directly to users via the web, without the need for a traditional web server. It's perfect for simple websites, landing pages, or even blogs that don't require server-side processing. Plus, you can easily scale to a large number of visitors without worrying about infrastructure management. You could use it as a data lake. A data lake is a centralized repository that allows you to store all your structured and unstructured data at any scale. S3 is an ideal choice for building a data lake because it can handle massive amounts of data and integrate with a wide range of analytics tools. This means you can store raw data from multiple sources in S3 and then analyze, process, and extract insights from it using other AWS services like Amazon Athena or AWS Glue. S3's scalability, durability, and cost effectiveness make it a perfect solution for this type of data storage. S3 is widely used for backup and restore because it provides secure, durable, and cost-effective storage for your important data. You can back up everything from individual files to entire databases, ensuring that your data is safe and easily recoverable in case of accidental deletion, hardware failure, or other disasters. S3's built-in versioning and object log features also help protect your backups from unintended changes and deletions, giving you peace of mind that your data is secure. When it comes to big data and analytics, S3 plays a crucial role by providing a scalable and reliable storage solution for large data sets. You can store data generated from various sources, such as IoT devices, social media, or transactional systems, and then use tools like Amazon EMR, which stands for Elastic MapReduce, or Amazon Redshift to process and analyze it. S3's ability to handle vast amounts of data makes it essential for big data projects, enabling you to uncover insights and you can drive business decisions. For data that you need to keep for long periods but don't access frequently, S3 offers an efficient way to archive it. Using storage classes like S3 Glacier or S3 Glacier Deep Archive, you can store data at a very low cost while still having the ability to retrieve it when needed. This is particularly useful for compliance purposes, where you may need to retain data for several years, or for archiving media assets, scientific data, and other types of data that don't require frequent access. S3 is also a key component in disaster recovery strategies. By replicating your data across multiple AWS regions using S3's replication features, you can ensure that your critical data is always available, even if an entire region goes down due to a disaster. This setup allows businesses to quickly recover from unexpected events like natural disasters, outages, or cyber attacks, minimizing downtime and data loss. These were just some use cases, but as you probably understood by now, the options are limitless. As I mentioned in the beginning, I personally have not experienced any environment that is not using S3 one way or another. Now let's cover the last topic of today and look into pricing. First of all, there's no minimum charge. At its heart, cost incurred for S3 consists of storage, which is the amount of data in gigabytes stored in a bucket, and data transfer out in gigabytes. Again, the specific pricing depends on the region you choose for your deployment. In the screenshots, I've selected the Frankfurt region in Europe for listing the prices. For data transfer, all data transferred in from the internet to S3 is free. Data transfer out to the internet costs 9 cents per gigabyte for the first 10 terabytes a month. You'll get a discount if you transfer more than 10 terabytes a month, as you can see in the table. Data transfer out to CloudFront doesn't incur any costs. Moving data to other regions can vary in cost, but as example, it costs 2 cents per gigabyte to move data from the Frankfurt region to Cape Town. If you're interested in more details, I'll leave a link to the pricing table in the comment section where you can look up any details you're interested in. The storage costs depend on the storage class, and as you can see, there can be a huge difference. It's really important to choose the right class for your use case. For example, S3 Standard incurs not even 3 cents per gigabyte per month, which is already really cheap, but there is a savings potential if you would choose S3 Glacier Deep Archive, which is even more than 10 times cheaper than standard S3. With that, we have gone through all the topics for today. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or just share your thoughts and ideas for future content. If this video was valuable, consider to leave a like for the algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any future video. See you in the next. Bye.